Hey everyone, this Diwali, let's put a spin on tradition. We've made this festival eco-friendly with a Chakri powered by Avishkaar's MakerBoard and MEX series. Diwali is all about lights, but let's skip the crackers, pollution and get creative instead. Now let's get into what makes all of this possible. This eco-friendly Chakri is super easy to make, and yes, even kids can make it. It's all about bringing together Avishkaar's MEX parts and the MakerBoard for some fun. Here's how we've set it up. The Chakri has two parts, the base powered by a DC motor built with Avishkaar MEX parts and the power source for the LED strips controlled by the Avishkaar MakerBoard. The MakerBoard setup is mounted on a wheel and an axle. Two 4-volt LED strips are placed on opposite ends of the axle supported by MEX beams, giving it a helicopter-like look. We have used alligator clips to connect the LED strips to the MakerBoard for simplicity. The base is made with some open centers and a high-speed gear system to maximize speed while supporting the spinning motion. Before we watch this Chakri light up, let's take a quick peek at the code behind it. And don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. I have used AMS AI to program the MakerBoard for LED strips and MEX Core Plus for the DC motor. The MakerBoard controls pins P0 and P2 to switch the light on and off. The LED matrix then scrolls Happy Diwali letter by letter followed by a 1-second pause. Afterwards, a swastika pattern lights up on the board and the LED strips turns on, with the entire sequence lasting about 20 seconds. The MEX Core Plus motor activates after 22 seconds, syncing with the MakerBoard. Want to dive deeper? Check out the link in the description for the full code. Now for the big moment. Watch our eco-friendly Chakri in action. Let's celebrate this Diwali the green way. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Keep innovating, keep creating, and we'll see you in our next experiment.